Alright, removing the rear view camera or backup camera on a eGolf 2015 model. First, the back panel has to be removed. It's fairly simple. There are 4 screws that needs to be taken out, and after that it can just be pulled away from the back of the door. And here we have the assembly. There are 3 main screws. They're all Torx. There's one here, one over there, and there's one under there. In addition, we'll take off these 2 small ones here. With a little light we can see it a little better. So you have one over here, one over there, and one on the bottom here. In addition to that, we have to take off the connector, this connector here, and this connector up here. So first I'll take off the connectors. This is put together where you have a little snap thing here. Push that up, pull it out. Same thing with this one, has a little hook here. Push that in, pull it out. This one too has a push up here, and then you pull it out. So that's the connectors. Then we can start taking these little screws out here. Maybe the right size. Then we take the big assembly off, the 3 screws. Now in order to get the whole assembly out, it has to be twisted clockwise, and then it can be taken down. So you have these little hooks here that hooks on the back of the screw. That's the whole unit. Now it's just to take it apart and repair it. Well, now we've taken it apart, or taken it out. Let's see how it is put together. I can see there's 4 screws here, also Torx. One here, one here, one here, and one inside here. So let's take it up. So there it is. And in here we have the camera unit. You can see here. So the camera is inside here. So to get to that, this can also be taken off. Two screws, same Torx. This is the mechanism that moves the camera in and out. It's obvious it needs some grease, seems like. Inside of this, probably some gears, the motor. So that's it. Thank you.